In this video, we are going to solve the remaining 4 questions of exercise 13.2 of class 10. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Naina and I make videos related to NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12. So let's have an outline of this video. In this video, you are going to understand how to find out volume of the combination of the solids and how to solve question number 5, 6, 7, 8 of exercise 13.2, and link for the very first 4 questions of exercise 13.2 is given in the description box.
So let us start the fifth question of exercise 13.2. The question says that a vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. So there is a vessel which is in the form of an inverted cone. It doesn't matter if it is in the form of inverted cone. The formula for to find out the volume of the cone is going to be same. Okay. Then its height is 8 centimeter. So its height is given to you, which is equal to 8 centimeter, and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. So this part, open top part, means the part of the sphere. This is open and its radius is given to you equal to 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the brim. The complete part up to the brim means this up to the complete height, it is filled to the top with the water. When lead shoots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter, are dropped into the vessel. So what they have done, they have inserted some lead shoots into the water, and whose radius is given to us equal to, let us suppose it is my small r, it is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Some lead shoots are dropped inside the water. When, because it is completely filled with the water, and when I am entering something into it, then obviously some water will flow out. So same they have written that 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of the lead shoots dropped in the water. So we have to find out the number of the lead shoots dropped in the vessel. So they have not dropped only one lead when 1/4 of water is let out. They have dropped n lead shoots, and 1/4 of the volume of the water has been flows out. Okay, so let us find out this question, how to do this question. What happened, that 1/4 of the volume of water is equal to which? It is equal to the volume of the lead shoot, and lead shoot is in the form of what? Lead shoot is in the form of a sphere. So the question says that when they are dropping the lead shoots into the water, then 1/4 of the water is falling out. So how much water will flow out? The amount of water flown out will be equal to the volume of these n lead shoots. Okay, and how much water is fallen out? The water flows out is 1/4 of the volume of total water, which is equal to the volume of the lead shoots. Okay, so now the question is simple. You just need to put the values of the formula. That volume of water means water is in which solid? Water is in the solid of cone. So volume of cone is given by 1/3 pi r square h. R1 is the radius of the cone and R2 is the radius of the lead shoots. So put the values, 4/3 pi R2 cube. Okay, pi and pi will get cancelled out from both the sides, and this 3 and 3 will get cancelled out from both the sides. So I will be left with what? I will be left with 1/3 r square h is equal to n into 4 into r2 cube. Okay, so put the values. What is given to you? 1/3 into radius of the cone is what? Radius of the cone is this 5 centimeter. So put this value of 5 square into height is what? Height is 8, which is equal to n we have to find out, into 4 into r2 cube. R2 cube is what? This R2 is the radius of this lead shoot, which is equal to 0.5 cube. Okay, so now if I am going to solve this value, then 5 5s are 25 into 8, which is equal to n into 4 into 5 into 5 into 5, and if I will remove the decimal, then I will get 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, so 5 5s the 25, and this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled out, and this will be 4 2s the 8, and this will be 5 2s the 10, and 2 2s the 4. So I will be left with 2 is equal to n into 2 by 100 because of this. So again I can cancel out this 2 and 2. So I will be left with 1 here, and when 1 will be multiplied by 100, so my answer will be 100 is equal to n. Okay, so the main part of the question is that how much water will be flown out will be equal to the volume of the lead chutes. Okay, so moving to question number 6. Question number 6 says that a solid consists of cylinder of height 220 centimeter and the base diameter 24 centimeter. There is a cylinder whose height is 220 centimeter and the base diameter is given to us equal to 24 centimeter. So this time base diameter is given to us. So what will be the radius? Radius will be equal to 12 centimeter. Then which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter. So suppose height of the first cylinder is 220 centimeter and height of second cylinder is given to us equal to 60 centimeter. This cylinder is surmounted with this bigger cylinder. Then and radius is, suppose R2 is 8 centimeter. This one is for the smaller cylinder and this one is for the bigger cylinder. Then find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube has 8 gram mass. So 1 centimeter cube means that they are talking about the volume of the complete figure. So we have to find out the mass, and they are telling us that 8 gram mass is equal to 1 centimeter cube, means it is equal to the 1 centimeter cube volume. So if we know the volume, then easily we can find out the mass of the figure. So our main aim is to find out the volume of the pole, which is equal to volume of cylinder 1 plus the volume of cylinder 2. Okay, so now I have to put the values only in the formula and I will get my answer. So what is the volume of the cylinder? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h plus pi r2 square h2, which will be equal to pi into r1 square into h1 plus r2 square into h2. Okay, now put the values. Pi is what? Pi is given to you to take equal to 3.14. It will be 3.14 into r1 is what? R1 is my 12 square into h1 is my 220 plus r2 is what? R2 is my 8 square into h2 is what? H2 is my 60. So my answer will be 3.14 into 144 into 220 plus 64. 8 square is 64 into 60. So my answer will be 11532.8 centimeter cube. Okay, understood? But this is not my answer, because they are asking from us that find the mass of the pole, not the volume. They are asking about the mass. So what is given to us? That 1 centimeter cube volume has mass equal to 8 gram. So how much volume we have find out? of the pole, we have find out the volume of the pole equal to 111,532.8 cube. So by using the unitary method, if 1 centimeter cube has 8 gram mass, then this much centimeter cube will have 8 into 111,532.8 gram mass. Okay, so when you are going to solve this, then you will get your final answer. Moving to question number 7. Question number 7 says that a solid consists of right circular cone of height 120 centimeter. So height of the cone is given to us equal to 120 centimeter and radius of the cone is given to us equal to 60 centimeter, and this cone is standing on a cylinder and whose height is given to us equal to, whose height will be equal to what? According to the figure, height will be equal to 120 plus 60, which will be equal to 180 centimeter. Find the volume of the water left in the cylinder if radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and its height is 180 centimeter. So radius of the cylinder is also given to us equal to, radius of cylinder is also equal to 60 centimeter, and this total height they have given to us equal to 180 centimeter. So see, if this is the total height of the figure, then this height is 60 because it is the radius of the hemisphere. So what is the height of this part? This part will be 180 minus 60, which is equal to 120. So we have to find out the volume of the water left in the cylinder. Water left in the cylinder means if cone is not there, then what would be the volume of the figure? So how we can find out? Volume of the water left will be equal to what? If I am going to subtract the volume of the cone and the volume of the hemisphere from the volume of the cylinder, because what they are saying that remaining water left inside the figure, remaining water inside the figure will be what? If this complete part is not there, only cylinder is there. So what I will do, I have to remove this part, so I will also remove the volume of the these two parts from the figure. Volume of the cylinder minus the volume of the cone minus the volume of this hemisphere. So now put the formulas only and you will get your answer. Volume of the cylinder is what? This is pi r square h minus volume of the cone is what? Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h minus volume of the hemisphere is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h 3. So why I have not taken r1, r2, r3 for the radius? Because radius is same for all the figures. Okay, if radius was different, then also I have to take it as r1, r2 and r3. So now I can take out pi r square outside as common. This is pi r square, this is pi r square and this is pi r square. So inside the bracket it will be h1 minus 1 by 3 h2 minus 1 by 3 h3. Okay, so pi is what? Pi, they have not told us to take any value, so we can take it as r2 into radius is what? Radius is given to us equal to 60, so it will be 60 into 60. h1 is what? h1 is the height of the cylinder, and height of the cylinder is given to us equal to what? It is equal to 180 centimeter minus 1 by 3. h2 is what? h2 is the height of the cone, and height of the cone is what? I have told you that the height of the cone will be equal to 180 minus 60, which will be equal to 120 into 1 by 3 into h3. h3 is what? h3 is the height of this hemisphere, which is equal to the radius of the hemisphere into 60. Okay, so once you are going to solve all these values, then you will get your final answer, which is equal to 1.131 meter cube. Okay, moving to question number 8. Question number 8 says that a spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long. So there is a spherical glass vessel. You have seen the vessels in your science lab. So the question is related to that vessel only, which you have seen in your science lab, that the neck of the cylinder is equal to 8 centimeter. So this cylinder height is 8 centimeter long. It is 2 centimeter in diameter. This is given to you equal to 2 centimeter, and the diameter of the spherical part is equal to 8.5 centimeter. So if this is 8.5, then my radius will be what? Radius of sphere will be equal to 8.5 by 2, which is equal to 4.25 centimeter. Similarly, radius of the cylinder will be equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1 centimeter. By measuring the amount of the water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. So volume of the vessel is given to you equal to 345 centimeter cube. Check whether it is correct, taking the above as the inside measurement, and pi is equal to 3.14. Now we have to tell them that the observation of the child, the calculations made by the child, that the volume of this complete vessel is 345 centimeter cube is correct or not. So how we can do that? We will find out the volume of the vessel by ourselves by using our formulas. So how to find out? So see, again, two figures are there. How we will get the volume of this complete vessel? Volume of one figure, which is in the shape of cylinder, plus volume of second figure, which is in the form of sphere. Okay, so volume of cylinder is given by what? Volume of cylinder is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube plus, and volume of sphere is given by what? 4 by 3 pi r1 cube, and the volume of cylinder is given by pi r square h. So I can take out pi outside as common, and inside the bracket I will be left with 4 by 3 r1 cube plus r2 square into h. So pi is what? Pi they have told us to take. Pi is equal to 3.14, 4 by 3 into r1 cube. R1 cube is what? R1 is my this sphere. Sphere radius is what? This is 4.25 plus r2 is what? R2 is my 1 into height of cylinder is my 8 centimeter. So when I am going to solve this value, then I will get 346.1 centimeter cube. But the observation made by the student was 345 centimeter cube. So that means her observation was wrong. Okay, if the answer was somewhat similar, then we can say that yes, her observation is correct. Suppose we are getting the answer as 345.1 or 344.9, so we can say that her observation is approximately equal. But this time the calculations are a bit different, then we will say that her observation is wrong. Okay.
So if you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos from my channel. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to solve examples of exercise 13.3. Till then, take care and bye bye.